Chapter 11, the final chapter, approaches to production, exhibition, and distribution. The text on making media has introduced both the conceptual and practical tools of media production. An attempt has been made to balance the need for appreciation and understanding of how current formats for media are made with the desire to encourage you to challenge the old forms and experiment with the new. New forms of media do not tend to make the old forms disappear. New forms tend to make the old forms adapt. Let's review the choices we have in terms of the approaches, exhibition, and distribution to production. Determining the approach. The decisions you make about production are determined by many factors, including programming type and budget, and the purpose of the piece will define the process. Personal preferences of whomever is creating the production also plays a major role. It all depends on how the media maker views how best the ideas they have can be served. That could be through documentaries, websites, video blogs, short stories, etc. First, you must determine how complex your creation will be. Are you able to create the piece yourself, or do you need help doing this? Most productions are collaborative processes and employ teams of individuals to complete the process. Next, you must decide on where the production will take place. This could be in a studio, soundstage, or outdoors in a conducive location. It's possible to combine studio work, location shoots, and recording sessions in one project. This is done all the time. Single versus multiple choices. This is a decision that applies to cameras and microphones. Like everything else, there are advantages and disadvantages to working with single versus multiple sources. You need to look at your particular production, the subject matter, the desired style, and the budget to determine the best approach possible. Is it going to be linear or interactive? The choice between single and multiple cameras has been around for a long time. You might want to consider a combination of linear and interactive elements, especially as technology and new media appears. Distribution and exhibition. Distribution is the process of getting a media product from its producers to those who exhibit it. Exhibition is the actual presentation of media. As a media maker, it's important not to just understand the status of the media industry, but the many possibilities that exist for your creation. These include the usage of still images, film, video, and audio. Since the first edition of this text was published, many innovations and evolvements have occurred. To get a better idea of where the mainstream is headed, you can look to the work of current media artists. Web art, cell phone art, new media installations, pioneers in 3D cyber environment. This was where the entertainment industry of tomorrow is being developed. Advancements in technology and public policy make the means of media production accessible to all voices. That's the promise of the media. As the text remarks, all the advancements and distribution choices are meaningless without the stories told with passion, artistry, and honesty. And that's the truth.